What's up guys, welcome to my video on genetic modes of inheritance. Today I'm talking about one of the best animated and longest running animated shows of our lifetime, Family Guy. I will be discussing the inheritance of phenotypes between 3 generations of family in this series, beginning with the parents of the main characters, which are Peter and Lois Griffin. I have drawn out all 3 generations of the main cast, and I've used the correct pedigree symbols, so a square or a rectangle for the men, and a circle or an oval for the females. We have Mickey McFinnigan and Thelma Griffin, who are the parents of Peter Griffin and also Karen Griffin, which is Peter's sister. And on the other side, we have Carter Pewterschmidt and Barbara Pewterschmidt, or Babs, and they have had 3 kids, Lois, Carol, and Patrick. Both Peter and Lois are married, and Peter and Lois have had 3 kids, beginning with Chris Griffin, who's the eldest, and then Meg Griffin and Stewie Griffin. For each of those family members, I'll be placing the correlating color to their hair color so we can see how the phenotypes transfer down the pedigree. Now let's start at the top again. Just a note, their hair color phenotype is based on their natural hair color, as some characters have dyed their hair in this show for comic effect. Now, Mickey McFinnigan has red hair, while Thelma Griffin has brown. Peter and Karen Griffin both have brown hair. On the other side, Carter Pewterschmidt and Barbara Pewterschmidt have black hair. Their children, Lois Griffin and Patrick Pewterschmidt, have red hair, while their daughter Carol has brown hair. Peter and Lois's child Chris has blonde hair, while Meg has brown, and Stewie has a few, emphasis on few, black hairs. X-linked dominance occurs when the trait or gene identified is on the X chromosome. Because of that, males and females have the possibility of showing the trait, no matter if the father or the mother is the one who is the trait before them. X-linked recessive occurs when the mother or father's trait shown is on an X chromosome and it is heterozygous. Autosomal dominance occurs when one copy of the gene from a parent powers over the other, and is also a mutation of that chromosome. There's a 50% chance of the child getting whatever trait or gene from the parents that have it. Autosomal recessive has 2 copies of the genetic mutation from a parent in order for a child to obtain the mutation. Y-linked modes of inheritance are only on the Y chromosome, which means only men or people with the Y chromosome can pass it down. Color is an X-related trait, as no chromosomes are being mutated to form hair color. On Peter Griffin's side, brown hair from Thelma is dominant over the red hair from Mickey, as both kids have brown hair. For Lois's parents, black hair is dominant, but their X-related hair colors must be heterozygous, because red hair has occurred twice in their family, and red hair is a recessive trait. For Chris, most likely he has a recessive gene from Lois, because the red hair is a recessive trait. Meg receives the brown hair from Peter's dominant allele, and Stewie's black hair is most likely from Peter's dominant gene also.